Here are 10 benefits of mint, podina, in English. 1. Aids digestion, helps relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas. 2. Freshens breath, naturally fights bad breath. 3. Boosts immunity, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. 4. Relieves headaches. Cooling effect can reduce tension headaches. 5. Improves oral health. Has antibacterial properties for healthy gums and teeth. 6. Supports respiratory health. Helps clear nasal congestion and ease breathing. 7. Reduces stress. Calming aroma helps relax the mind. 8. Promotes skin health. Soothes itching, acne, and skin irritation. 9. Aids weight management. May help control appetite and improve metabolism. 10. Improves energy levels. Refreshing scent can boost alertness and focus.